Abuo bai kadeka kakauladu munebe, egolo ladekis atupruchkana lolo, oraunu kesi ai boikino shepero tolo adekis, Kanu momone beara.
Ikie golanari.
Masada joro.
Ere de pota sobera masadere. Mama mukian, era wadika kini jobota gwele ikie angana ro clinic kech. Ojula nasiri no yunu sache. No jeneta jari tuma.
Ilo tata sestoma sawa la tuba adolo kana mukian. Amesi dumunete anasi dobo be poto da idoji ngaita si. Ai kam sebere. Lo ste kwara boy to an pengena mami na inetes. Dobo e dola chepa to kana dumu na mukian na. Dumuni bakabe mamekia ijukaro wese dayana. Ese yanga ijukare to kana. Konyo olwane na dayana kada jo uriani. Angona kapan na kana deka. Mame poni kuriana tawa mistade kis. Rakolo wala je poni berbala tiba kali pon ke siap di yelo. Der doke sa anyin be poni bale be ke sa ajaria.
A kansila nako kichinjaje ward Salume Amero ngesia balebe. Ekota pugani temo kejana kine adekis kangin.
Adolongo na bonga domati kishoni kapana toilet coming. Ijai mam kesidare tenyo sawa. Saininga yake vistas book. So remote award ni unukere anyi be nyo kelo sta konye. So tuni na number 1 ngesingin. Ila chita lo adekis. Nara je o sama ne de pela ba chira kan kiro. Ine na kino amojong me peri o shepine ni seda na kino nyo. Ila chita which was not proper. Nara kwa ne radio twende kerabra koko Aboy City. So the fridge le gwana kine ke parking na bungo. Nara ila polo kidatizi Dr. Nyonga. Boli mo tengo chita jokobe e fridge. Edumuni ngesa gwetarte fridge ngon mame beta gwetarite. Edumuni ngesa gwetara nara jasi kielu mukere nyo tunga.
RCC soroti Peter Pexpa kangesia balebe. Mamukesi elo setai tekini muroke bole ataraswam kech. Ikoni neno nyamete ropitilo e Paul.
So I drove and I arrived here at 8:33. I mean 8:38. Now arriving here, I found the place locked. There was no single medical personnel. The only person I found here was an askari. I asked him what happened. Who has the keys? He says for him, he's the only askari in this facility. He is alone, one person working for both day and night. So he decided to give the keys to the in-charge last Friday. Now, when the keys were given to the in-charge now came and found me here at 9:38. The in-charge also came late. The medical personnel have just come at 10. So, my intervention is I have arrested all of them. They're going to make statements in police, Eastern Division. Make statements, stay there. 10 o'clock, mobilize the team. We have a meeting here at 2. At 2. Okay? While these ones are in the cells. Pandagari. Both the pickup. No. But let her go here. Go here.
Hello, all of you. Let them all go there.
Go here.
Hello, all of you go down there.
And I've called the 10 o'clock to ensure we have a management committee meeting here at 2 today. The next step, I will ensure that all the medical personnel here are transferred so that we have a new chapter tomorrow. That's the intervention. This business has continued over and over, and enough is enough. They asked for increment in salaries from government. Government has given them increment, but there is nothing commensurate to the increment of salaries. The services are not measuring to the salaries they are earning. So we are going to ensure this business of coming late, negligence of duties, abuse of office must stop.
Atupito na polo kinito na jakanuto sorote site. James Obore ngesi abalebe. Elosete kesi aitemo kina kironu eji asi adekis na kokichinjaji El Center 3. Katipet. Kanuka TV East. Abraham Elapu. Koibuga soroti.